Hello, everybody. My name's Richard from Zappos.com, and this is Biom Venture. It's from ECCO Sport. Now, what's super cool about these guys here is not only are they super sturdy, thanks to that Nubuck leather and textile upper, but they're going to be incredibly easy to lace up and keep your foot locked into place. You don't have to worry about these coming untied. Because you have that bungee lace closure here in the front, you give this guy a tug, lock it into place, and your foot is locked in, ready to go. But you also have this little loop here on the side that you can attach the end of the lace to, so that way you don't have to worry about that flopping around and getting in the way while you are walking outdoors or on the trail. It's got a breathable textile lining in there, very, very comfortable, keep your feet cool, with a polyurethane midsole beneath all that for plenty of shock absorption, really keep your feet feeling energized. And then you got that rubber outsole down here, really help keep you steady over all different types of surfaces. So go ahead and lace yours up today from ECCO Sport.